Well, it's time to make another little video. This one here is a little install video. This is an addition to one that I made a while ago. You could see if you look back on some of my tech reviews. I went and added a power supply to my handlebars on my Indian Roadmaster, and I put it right down here, and I put a battery tender USB connection here, which is right here, and as you can see, it's getting a little rusty here. So I recently replaced this and put the quad lock on here, and I really like that. But what I want to do is I want to get rid of this loose cord. So I went and I picked up this, and so that's a wireless charging head, and I've looked at a few other videos online, and all you do is pull this one screw right here, put this on in its place, take that little blue thing off from there, and put this on in its place. It comes with some cables, and we'll take a look at that right now. Okay, in the box you have your unit, which is right here. Okay, very substantial. That's the new one. I understand originally when these came out, they didn't have a good connection here, and they've now made this more waterproof for the, I think that's a USB-C. Yeah, I think so. And so that's gonna be cool. So we're gonna hook that thing up. Let me set that down. I got a couple cables. I'm gonna use the shortest one, I think. You can see right here, let me see if I can get some light on it. There's, see those little ribs? Those kind of seal off. They're not softer, but I think that's gonna work pretty good. But first, what we need to do is take off what I have currently installed. So I think I have some clips on here. Yeah, that one there. We'll just have to get something to snip that off. Now, I showed you before that the cable that was in there was a little rusty. You can see it right here, got a little rust on here. Well, it so happens that I have a little rust in here too. So I'm gonna clean that out, and then when I put the new cable in, this is the new cable here, I'm going to put some silicone around here. I need to waterproof that a little bit better. So I'm going to do that first. Now I'm going to take this screw out. They give you a little Allen wrench to do that. So we'll just take that out and put the other unit on. It comes with a little longer screw because this thing is a little bit fatter. So a little longer screw. So we'll do that right now. Okay, there's a couple different ways you can put this on. I put it on with the little light thing is at the top, because what that does is it allows me to, let me get this around this side here. You can see right there is where the cable connects. And I want it down low. If I flip this over, and I've seen some people do this, where this is down on the bottom, that brings this thing that's right down in this corner all the way up to the top corner here. So I figured I wanted it down here. I don't think it makes any difference. You can't see the light on here once you put the phone on anyhow. As far as setting it up for what angle, it's easy to adjust. Okay, that's a pretty easy install. Just put the new screw in, set it up. I've got my connection down here made. I just wrapped it around here just once, and this plugs in real tight back here. That's good. This whole thing is spring loaded, So let's see how this goes on. And boom. So that's kind of cool. Now let's see if it actually works. What I have on here is a switched connection. It's not just wired directly to the battery. It is set up so that when the bike turns on, that's when this will start to charge. So I can have it on here and it's really not charging at this time. If you look up here, you can see that the battery is not fully charged. So let's turn the bike on and let's see what happens. So when you turn the bike on, oh, there you go, it turns it on and it's starting to charge. And if you look up here, you'll see the little lightning bolt in there. So it's now charging. And if I turn the bike off, it will stop charging. So that's my quick little install video, and hopefully that helps some people.